Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on the menu, we've got creamy garlic mash. Enjoy! Thoroughly peeled and washed potatoes. Cut into smaller pieces for even cooking.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Fill up with cold water. Boil for 15 minutes, then simmer for additional 15 minutes. Salt to taste. Add in onion and garlic. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Take off heat and drain. Return the potatoes in the same pot on low heat. Mash with a potato masher. Add in the melted butter. Parsley. Warm milk. Mash till creamy and fluffy. There you have it, creamy garlic mash. Please subscribe to get more yummy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.